Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for coming back if you're one of my old subscribers, and if you're a new subscriber, welcome. Okay, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, yes guys, you're seeing right. We've been wanting to make our own feeds, so we decided to make our own feed mill. This is not our first one. We made a small one. This is 1 ton feed mill. So yes, I made it in Mankasim. It took about 6 months, and I paid 19,000 Ghana cedis. And by the time I was picking it up, it had increased in price. So if you want any, please note you will pay more than 19,000 Ghana cedis. Yes, guys. So as I said, it took about 6 months, and it was time for me to pick it up. So I had to buy some corn and some a wheat brand so we can test the motor and make sure everything is working. So that's what we're doing, and I'm super excited. And yes, I picked it up, but then I have another dilemma. The structure to hold it in the farm is not ready. It hasn't even been started because my mason is apparently sick and I haven't seen him on the farm for a while. But it was time to pick it up. And you know, when you know Ghana, when something is ready and you have your money, go pick it up. Okay, because if you don't, they're going to sell it to someone else and you're going to end up either paying more to get another one built for you. But yes, guys, I picked it up and I took it to the farm. Everything was amazing, and I'm just looking forward for us. This is 1 ton, okay, so it takes a lot. This is 1 ton. Yes, we're building 10,000 capacity, so we're going to make our own feed. Okay, so this is super exciting. It's new. Things are happening slowly but surely. Okay, like as I always say, like you can do anything. Don't rush. Don't compete with anybody. Compete with yourself. The Amelia yesterday. Okay, and sure enough, you get somewhere, you get something done. Okay, so I'm excited. I'm motivating you. But the mix is no mix. What's so far? Okay. Yeah. So yes, guys, I was quite happy with the machine. Everything was working, so it was time for me to load up. Yes, and the feed that we made, I mixed it with my current feed, and we loaded up the machine and we took it from Mankasim to Cape Coast to the farm. Then we had to offload it, find somewhere to put it. because as I said, the structure for this is not ready, and it can't be on the farm itself because we don't have electricity there yet. I mean, we tapped into it and it's not strong enough. It can't even pump our borehole. So we have another 4 acre in the same village that's closer to town. So we're thinking that we're going to build a structure and then do our feed and everything there and bring it to the farm, which is not that far off. Yɛde to the nti mane bibi ankɔ no nye de ɔnda hɔ de. Yes, guys, it wasn't easy offloaded it, but we did it, and we had no choice but to leave it outside. Trust me, it's too heavy. No one can steal it. But we made sure we took the motor and everything that's important and put it in the building. So it doesn't, you see, that's the orange one. It's not attached, so no one can steal it. So yes, guys, it's on the farm. I'll keep you posted when the structure is ready and when we start making our own feed. It's super exciting, okay? So thank you so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video after watching. And if you haven't subscribed already, kindly do me a favor and subscribe to my channel, okay? If you're interested in building, if you're interested in poultry farming and lifestyle with my kids and my family in Ghana in general, join the family. And always, always, always comment, okay? Bye, guys. And as always, smile. See miracles in life every day. Life is short. Life is challenging, but it's worth living.